Feel the quality in your hands. Dito lang yan sa... Yan, kompleto na sila guys. Yan, 220 yung mga yan. Yan. Here in Bottomless shop. Mabuhay ha. Yan, mabuhay. So, ayan. Yan. Sa murang halaga lang guys, pasyal na kayo rito. Yan. Sa Volcanos. Yan. Rito sila ng gamit.
They have a switch, no matter which bread. They have a switch here. This kind of drill is all of them. Impact range.
Mas mura yun, 2.6, 1 set. Bibili rin, 1 set.
Magkano yun?
2.6.
Yung isang set na.
Isang set.
You can just buy the drill only, or the set, or like that one. That's this set.
Kaya magkaiba sila.
This one.
220 rin.
This is the drill bits set.
Magkaiba sila kasi ito may oak, doon wala.
So, yan guys. Andito na yung hinahanap ninyo. Come here and visit at Volcanos Tools. Here.
That one, no.
Yan.
Only drill and batteries and charger.
Yan ang gamit. See. Mabait si Lopan. Lopan.
Mas okay to.
English speaking.
How about the price nila?
That one, the set is 3,980.
3.980.
Yes. And the just the drill is 3,1. The drill only 3,1. The set is 3,980.
Ayan, hindi na kayo mahirapan dyan sa bahay nyo. Gusto na rin umorder ng
The drill only
so,
is
ayan,
1,600.
meron din sila. Ayan, order din. Ayan. Kanilang Facebook page.
Ayan, Facebook sila. Bye ka na.